We are recording.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Alright. Okay.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we do have a very special guest. My sister-in-law Sam is here. Some of you might remember her from the slumber party video that we did with my sister Brooke.
Yep. And
the three of us just kind of hung out and they each took half of my face. And Sam actually mentioned later that day that she's like, I wish I could have done the whole face because she felt so
I just wanted to get my
confined.
hand on his whole face.
So today she did this entire look today. It is a holiday glam transformation.
Yep.
If you want to see us, we're just kind of hanging out and chatting. It's not really a tutorial, but if you want to hang out with us for the next couple of minutes, it's probably going to be like 35 minutes this video.
Probably, but it's fun, so stick around.
If you want to hang out with us for the next decade and watch her do my makeup, make sure to keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload three times a week. I don't upload twice a week anymore. 3 times. I do upload 3 times a week, and that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Oh my god, no! Okay.
These are the brushes that are already dirty. Anything that you want to use, grab and feel free. But just make sure they go in the dirty bin, because I'm obsessive compulsive, and Harris likes to...
My brushes don't look like this. My brushes are dirty.
I'm going to give you guys a quick little, like, what we got going on here. Where's my mirror? I can't see me. Hey, there's us. Hey. So we got a little bit of everything to do whatever we need, and all those are clean brushes. This is my little crown where I keep all my dirty brushes before I have to clean them. Sam's brushes don't look like that.
We don't want to talk about that. Let's not talk about my brushes.
Okay.
Ladies, when you're doing your makeup and you have these brushes that you use for the same thing every single day, do you wash them, honestly, that often? Do you? Be honest.
Let me know down below how often you clean your brushes, because...
You don't wash them. You don't wash them.
Oh my god, so...
I don't either.
I wash my brushes at least once a week.
Let's talk about this, because you're very OCD with washing your brushes. And I am not. Nope,
not at all.
I honestly feel the dirtier the brush, the better the outcome.
I mean, there's definitely, like, when that brush has its, like, I'm gonna say this, it's gonna sound gross, but when it's got its stank on it.
Oh my god.
Like when that brush is loaded up with
my
blush.
Brushes are a little dirty, but they're not stanky. We're gonna try to go a little dewy.
Oh, are we now?
Yeah, I know you love dewy.
I love how it looks when we put it on.
Alright, well
I just don't love how it wears.
We're hanging out.
We chillin'.
It doesn't need to last that long.
It's 9 o'clock at night.
Okay.
We're good.
No, I feel like this would last if you had the tools to kind of control your oil.
Meaning if I felt like touching up every 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I get so greasy.
That's okay.
Like, to the point where I had a bottle of setting spray on the table next to me at my wedding.
Yeah.
I genuinely brought a brand new one for her at hers.
It was on the table at my wedding, too.
Just to touch up, because I get that greasy if I'm not, like...
Why is your skin so hot? Or are my hands just really cold?
Your hands are just really cold.
Like, why?
I'm liking it, though.
Is it burning? I don't know.
I know I said this in the intro, or Inception. I know I'm going to say this in the intro, because we haven't filmed that yet, but I'm going to list all the products down below, so if we're not, like, directly talking about...
Yeah, we're just hanging out.
We chillin'.
I'm attempting to do a holiday glam look, but...
I got you, girl. I got you.
Thanks. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
This feels so much better than when Brandon did my makeup.
Because he's like...
Oh my god, he's swiping with a beauty blender. That, you guys aren't going to see that because we filmed that earlier today. My brother, well, obviously he's still here. He's somewhere over there. But he is back. I'm going to link a video up here of when he was here the first time. And that hot mess. But we filmed earlier. I did half of my face. And it was up to him to do the other half and recreate.
Honestly...
I mean...
He did a good job.
All things... You know what?
All
you guys will have to wait and see, but he did. But it's definitely like the beauty blender hitting my face. It was a
little aggressive. Maybe that's why you're bruised.
That might be. He might have bruised
me. I think that I did the same motion the last time I did your makeup with Brooke. Literally beating your face with the beauty blender.
That was another fun video that I'm going to link up here. And That was actually a really fun day.
Yeah, that was a good day.
We had a slumber party. It was like the week before Halloween. We watched Hocus Pocus.
Mm-hmm.
We did skincare.
Yes, we did mini facials.
You know
on
me.
your living room floor.
I mean...
And it was fantastic.
With the clothing steamer instead of a facial steamer.
It worked.
None of us got burns,
No.
so...
I would call that a success.
I definitely would too.
Is that full for you? Or
Coverage?
Is this light for you? This is light for you, right?
I mean, this is probably a light to medium coverage in my opinion.
All right, well,
but keep in mind,
I didn't do concealer yet.
lately I do go in with more of like a medium coverage foundation.
I don't go that heavy
'Cause
with my foundation.
I pack on the powder and I pack on the concealer.
Yeah.
So I really lately have just been kind of evening out my complexion. At some point, it's on my... I have a clipboard here with like my filming schedule, which I'm not going to show you guys because these are how the secrets. But I am planning on doing like an updated routine just because I do go a lot lighter on my foundation, not only to what I used to do, but like in general. So I'm probably going to do that just because I want to play around with the idea of doing like the way I used to do my makeup versus the way I do it now.
Oh my God. I was going to say you should... this wouldn't apply, but how you did your makeup in high school.
Chapstick.
Oh my goodness, man.
That's all I did.
Man, my makeup in high school was.
When you get home, you're gonna send me a picture, right?
I
that I could put up on the screen right now.
I think I burned the evidence. To be honest with you, there was a lot of black eyeliner and smudging going on.
10-foot long
the
Wet n Wild.
NYC,
Yep.
99-cent black eyeliner that was like this long.
Both of her fingers were not even in frame. It's like this long.
This
bigger
long.
than your phone screen.
Yeah.
We like to talk amongst ourselves about which of our husbands is worse, my Brandon or her Brandon, and we never come up with a straight answer.
I was gonna say separately, probably my
Your Brandon. Separately, absolutely.
But together,
mine eggs yours on.
Yeah.
Like, your Brandon is consistently himself, and like, I mean, not that my Brandon isn't, but like the second they're in a room together, my Brandon decides to make your Brandon
it's brand square. It
as
just
horrible as
completely
possible.
amplified.
It is. On Thanksgiving, when I was getting ready, and I got ready at my mom's, she saw this compact and she was like, "Oh, that's for me, right? I can use this now?" And I was like, I mean...
Me?
No. Mac! I'm stop. I don't edit it out anymore. I just let him do his...
He's here.
He's
gay. Get used to it. I hope other people know that video.
Probably not.
Oh,
but if so,
man.
I'm gonna link it. Got this one hair that just wants to like Superman curl, chill out.
A little Elvis action.
A little bit. Like, let's just pin that down and...
I don't want to wipe under your eyes yet.
Okay.
I don't know what you use your brushes for.
Well, there's this really cool thing that I do where I do my makeup online on this thing called YouTube, and I literally use the same brushes every time. So if you did that thing where you go and subscribe to my channel...
I'm not subscribed.
You are totally subscribed.
I am subscribed.
I
am. I watch YouTube
very rarely.
Signed out. No, not rarely. I just watch it signed out.
Okay, well...
Which is every YouTuber's worst nightmare.
Pretty much.
Sorry, guys.
But if you ever wanted to watch my videos, you'll see what I use all these brushes for.
Oh, okay.
Also, just so you know, you guys can totally watch my videos if you're not signed in. Like, that's not horrible for us. It's just when you hit skip on those monetized ads, that's when we're like, you couldn't just watch the 15-second video. Like,
but they're not
get that
15
coin.
seconds. They're at least a minute and a half.
Are they?
Sometimes, yeah.
Nice. That means I'm getting the good ones. This is actually what I'm the most excited for.
What, the brows?
Because when you and Brooke did my makeup, like, you did a brow that was much more intense than I normally do. Because, like, I'll take a tinted brow gel, comb it through, and that's about it. I have never been, like, a really sculpted brow kind of person. And every time I see it, I'm like, all right, I think I can enjoy this.
I like the sculpted brow.
I just never have the patience.
Yeah.
Brown. So
is that the one that I accidentally stole from you on your wedding day?
Yes, it is.
I got home, I was like, ooh.
I have 2 of these.
Maybe he won't know.
Oh, I knew. I used
like
that
an
brush.
hour later. Bitch, where's my brush? it's either in your bag or it's in the garbage because nobody else has it.
No, because on my wedding day, there was, in the bridal suite, there was, of course, several tables, a lot of surface. It was technically 3 rooms. And naturally, both of our makeup for the entire day was all on the exact same table.
Yeah.
In a giant pile.
Mm-hmm.
So at the end of the night, it was kind of like whatever got packed up wherever it went. Obviously, we were going to get it. But the one thing that got switched out was that one brush. You living dangerously, you taking bronzer in the crease.
I'm living on the edge.
Every time I wash my brushes, I switch them out.
Do you?
Yep. So, like, I know the type, like, I buy these, like, the style. The packing brush is always the same, but, like, a flat shader brush,
I mean,
a
you
fluffy,
have
like, I literally,
so many different kinds, though.
That entire cup is eye brushes. That is my eye brush cup. And we are currently using, I might be getting ahead of myself when I say this, just because I haven't filmed it yet, and I'm still, like, deciding. This might be my palette of the year.
Really?
My Best of Beauty 2018.
I keep eyeballing it.
Palette.
I haven't bought it yet because I really don't need another eyeshadow palette, but I feel like I might have to go buy it.
It's Sultry, by the way. We're using Sultry today. She do what she do. Ooh, on camera, look at that.
Yeah, it's really nice.
That's smoky.
It's super smoky. I'm going for that glam.
I mean, this is a holiday look, right?
Yeah. I always go, like, super glam on holidays. I don't know why. I'm just with my family.
On holidays? You were at work today and you have glitter on. Like,
yeah, you're right.
Holidays? Why does it gotta just be a holiday?
Okay, I wear a lot of makeup always, but
You know who you're talking to, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
So are you putting? Do you put
I always do
mascara
mascara
on?
first. I will never. You know how some people like to put their falsies on and then the mascara to push it together?
Mhm.
I will never do that because I find I don't like putting mascara on my lashes.
Oh, you don't?
I don't.
See, I'm the opposite. I like to blend my real lashes into the false ones.
So do I. That's why I use this little guy. So what I do is I put on my mascara, I apply the fake lash, and then, like, I give it a little bit of time so the mascara is mostly dry but a little tacky, and then I just clamp my lash to the falsie so that it kind of bonds the two together.
All right, so I'm gonna have to go watch the video, and if anyone has questions about lashes, click the link above.
And we'll be right back with lashes on.
You do you, boo boo.
Ooh, that's nice. Remember when I used to always put glitter on my inner corner?
Yes.
Like, no exceptions, it was always there. How'd you let me go out like that? I mean, I loved it, don't get me wrong.
I did the same thing. I was right there with you, holding
You
your
were.
hand.
We both, there was a lot of glitter between the two of us.
And that's okay. I want to do bottom lashes.
I'm gonna just hand you all of my mascaras and let you go to town.
Oh.
Hey.
I
I don't
actually
use
use,
anything else
again,
anymore.
this combination every day. Except mine's lighter than this because I fail.
You using the light one?
I use the light one.
I mean, we are in the winter. I do have the light one too. We got both of them.
Yeah.
That was an accident because I bought the light one in the middle of the summer, like a while ago. And it was like, this looks like a setting powder.
Really?
So I had to go in for the other one.
Too bronze for you.
Too bronze for me.
Which one's your nose contour brush?
The one that you stole.
This one?
Yep.
Smile. Okay, don't smile. Oh my god! It's like little flecks popping up. That's something I do when I'm putting my highlighter on. I kind of
I do the same thing.
drag it.
I straight up go like
bone.
I straight up go over my brows
Yeah,
with the highlighter.
I go like under my brow bone, then I bring it up above the brow, on the cheekbone. Let's see it.
That's all. No,
Not blinding enough for you.
we see her. And that's the finished look. So I am absolutely living. Like, I don't normally go in with black shadow, so I don't normally go in this smoky on the eye.
Holiday Glam.
I feel so bronzy and like...
It's beautiful.
There's a mirror down here. I'm like... People always clock me because like, why are you always looking over there? That's my monitor. No. So I put a mirror here to make myself look less vain. It obviously isn't working. So thank you again for this fabulous transformation.
You're welcome.
I am definitely going to be playing around with some thicker brows. I'm feeling it. Yeah. So thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And let me know how much you loved having Sam here and what we should do next time. Because I feel like she needs to come back soon. Yeah. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.